Hello everyone, Miss Katongo here. This is another physics related problem. But before we get into the physics problem, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get to the question. Two trains on separate tracks move toward each other. Train 1 has a speed of that, and train 2 has a speed of that. Train 2 blows its horn, emitting a frequency of that. What is the frequency heard by the engineer on train 1? So let's obtain our data. So therefore, we are being told that train 1, or rather we can start with train 2 and train 1, where we have our first train having the speed v 1.3 times 10 to the power of 2 kilometer per hour, and the first train is moving